when dollar is strong or weak, it will most surely have a correlation on the currency pair. For example, when dollar is strong, you look for opportunity words to sell currency like GBPUSD, EURUSD, AUDUSD, NZDUSD. But when dollar is weak, we have opportunity to buy those currencies. So as a trader, you must come to DSY every day, every week, at least weekly, at the starting of the week, to know what the structure, what is going on with DSY. So now I'm starting DSY this morning. I have already mapped out all things that I need to know, that I need to see on DSY. So I'm on 4-hour time frame. And before us this morning, we can see that DSY is seriously bullish. DSY is what? Seriously bullish. Now from this place to this place is bearish. But when you go to higher time frame, like daily time frame, is bullish. So the higher time frame supersedes the smaller time frame. The weekly supersedes the daily supersedes 4 hours. So you want to look at maybe at the first day of the week or Sunday, you want to go to your DSY, start for a week. Look at what the weekly doing, what the daily doing. So now, weekly time frame will give you the directions of the overall market. Daily time frame will still give you direction. Why on 4 hours? 4 hours will give you what we call market structure. On 4 hours, you come to look for market structures. Then on 1 hour or 30-minute time frame or 15 minutes, you look for entry. So your duty as a trader is to trade in line with the overall trend of the market. So even when you are counter trading, you should know why and reason why you are doing counter trade. So that is it. So on daily, we are in uptrend on DSY. We are not trend. You can see very clearly we are in uptrend on DSY. Since there's a change of character here, we have this bullish run. Then what happened here that we saw on 4 hours was what? A pullback or retracement back to this imbalance. This imbalance that was caused when this uptrend happened. So price we price to the imbalance, and since we feel the imbalance, we will be having an uptrend. Now, above us, we have this supply area that we are targeting. We are targeting this supply area. So from this supply area, then maybe there we could have a major sell from this supply area. So that is supply area that I'm looking at DSY to dollar to push to. Now, price has swept liquidity from this high. And now, and that is the reason we are seeing this little sell that we are expressing now. Liquidity has been swept here. You can see this bullish candle sweep liquidity and close below this high. Likewise, this bearish candle that close swept liquidity and close below this low. So now we can temporarily say DSY is doing retracement, not a reversal. There's a difference between a reversal and a retracement. So what DSY is doing now is retracement. So now I have seen from higher time frame that DSY is bullish. So now move to my 4 hours for structure. So on 4 hours, we have a change of character here. The price move. Now we still have this imbalance, this other block, demand, this demand area that has not been mitigated. So price may come some days to mitigate this demand. Likewise, we have another break of structure here, and this demand is also mitigated, has not been mitigated. Then this one, the price came to mitigate this demand that is here. Then we have what? Another break of structure, another clear break of structure here. So now where are we? Since price has swept liquidity above this high, so we could expect price to come back to claim internal liquidity. So now where are the internal liquidity? Yes, we have this demand area here. Here we have this tiny demand here. So price would come to this there before we have this rally up back. So that is it. So we have this demand price, this demand that will hold price before another bull run. Then if this demand fails to hold price, we have series of liquidity that is residing in this low. We have liquidity residing in that low. So which means the possibility that price coming to retest this place is very, very high because of this liquidity pool that is residing here. So we have this place. Now we have this place to hold price. So if price fail here, then price could come here, we look for a buy opportunity here on DSY. And if this place fail, then price will come back to this 103 because we still have a lot of imbalance here, that price. So before us now, we are looking at pullback to buy what? DSY. So now going back to 15 minutes now, let's look at our Judas swing. So on 15 minutes, now on 15 minutes, because we are looking for trade opportunity, right? So we have Asia high, liquidity has been taken from Asia. So we have Asia high swept, then we have little, so we can use this place. We go to 5 minutes, we can use this place as change of character. Can use this as change of character, and price has come to what? These are supply zone here now. Price has come to retest the supply zone. So now this is Judas swing strategy now to look for entry, to look for a sell opportunity. So if we are selling, where are we selling to? We are selling to this demand area here. So add that. It's not that we are fully bearish, but we want to counter trade to this demand. So now you can see that Asia, those people that have been following in this class, I will use this Asia high and Asia low. When liquidity is swept from Asia high, you look for a sell, and look for change of character and sell. And when liquidity is swept from Asia low, look for a buy. So I'm tempted to sell GSY for now because liquidity has been swept here. And once liquidity is swept on higher time frame, price will come back to internal sell side liquidity, and which is this place and all those trend line that I show us. So we have place to go to. Mind you, there's a news by 1:30. We don't know what may happen as a result of that, news. As a result of that news, we don't know what may happen. So, but now I am only trading what before me. Now, to look for this, not a swing trade now, but day trading. Capitalize on New York, London, and New York session. So now let's now move to currency now. So let's move to currency. So that will fall to Euro USD first. So Euro USD. See, yesterday I'll be buying on Euro USD. So on higher time frame on Euro USD, I have this place that I have predicted that price will come to for a long time. I talked about this yesterday. So you can see price has swept all liquidity here, and price has come to this demand area. So, and we have this bullish yesterday. So go to 4 hours, it is very clear. So on 4 hours, you can see price clear every liquidity that formed as a trend line. All these, they were liquidity for price, and then price has cleared all the liquidity, and we can see. So yesterday, so if we look at, let's use candlestick pattern, for example. We have bullish engulfing candle that form 1, 2. So this shows us a little buying position, but we are not totally buying because we still have this high to deal with. We have this high to deal with, and we have this high to deal with. So on Euro USD, we are still bearish. But inside the bearish, what I'm doing is to do a counter trade buying as a counter trade. So yesterday, by our Judas swing, we look at, I said yesterday that. So yes, this yesterday on. So this yesterday on, Asia low was clear. I look for opportunity, I enter a trade here. And when price get to this place, this is my target, overall target. This price get to this place, it was reversing, I close of position and I break even. So I'm still on this trade from yesterday. So this morning again, I added to a position. Here, yes, this morning. So this way I added to a position here this morning. Then price, look at this demand area here. So Asia low, liquidity Asia low was swept. Then I go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is how I do top analysis for me to enter trade. So I don't just enter trade blindly. So that's why when he hits my stop loss, I don't feel bad. So now Asia range, Asia low, liquidity. So this place now you call Judas swing. This one called Judas swing, a fake out. Then I have this change of character here. Boom, I do my buy limit. The price came back to test the other block. So currently, I'm still on this trade. And my stop loss is just 5 pips. My stop loss is what? 5 pips. So you can see, currently the trade is in a little profit. So let's see how the trade will go at the end of today. I could not post this trade to the VIP because I was not in a good position to do posting. So that is why we ourselves, we need to learn this thing very well. Pay attention so that whether signal or no signal, you should see the market the way I am seeing it. You see the market the way other ICT trader is seeing the market. So my content for us, for you to able to take a trade, look at what I'm seeing, take the trade, and you are seeing the same thing and take the trade. So EURUSD, we are buying currently. So, but where are we buying to? You may decide not to buy. You may decide not to buy because since the overall we are selling. So if you want to sell now, let me now analyze it in a bigger picture now, in case you want to position for a sell. So now, if you want to position for a sell, already we have this place, we have break of structure here, then this is the demand, this is supply that breaks the structure. Wait for price to come to this place and wait for a change of character in smaller time frame and sell. As long price did not close above this place, then they tell you that this market will sell. I still expect price to come to this imbalance that is here. 4 hours imbalance is here, or demand area. Price has not get to this place. So I'm still on 80% in a sell position on EURUSD until I begin to see higher high, higher low on 4 hours, which means price needs to clear this high. If price deal with this place, price have this place to deal with. Price have this place to deal with. So if sell not come here, sell will come here, or sell will come here. So that is what I'm looking at on EURUSD, looking for sell opportunity in all these bars that I marked out. So that is that. So you can also analyze and position yourself for that. So I'm done with EURUSD, GBPUSD. GBPUSD, the same concept of say I'm waiting for price to come to this place, then wait for change of character, then sell. So if we look at GBPUSD on daily, we still have we have a lot of concern that price will push down. Price will push down. Number one, we have this relative equal lows that is here. So this place is serving as liquidity. Then you can see. So this is where we have break of structure, and this is a demand area that break structure. So I'm seeing in a long-term trade, I'm still seeing GBPUSD selling to this place. So from that place, then maybe from there I'll begin to look for a buy opportunity from this place. So that is why I am positioning myself for a sell on GBPUSD. Sell. So price come to this place, I look for a sell. So I'm looking at if that place fail, because we still have this imbalance that is here, and we have this supply area. So in this place is sell from here or is sell around this place. So that is GBPUSD. Gold quick one. So gold, we are what? Is uptrend. All we should be looking for gold is what? A buy opportunity. Buy opportunity than to sell. Now we have already break of structure here. So let's see what price we do. If price clear this place, then we look for a buy opportunity from this demand here. demand. But I'm doing a little buy of, we'll go to 5 minutes now. But that one is, you can just little water to test it if you work out. So this is it. So I'm currently, the price is just doing, as it's pushing. So if you take out this low, this stop loss, then that is fine. But I am currently, because of uh I saw that Asia low has been clear. Then we have this bullish expansion, change of character there. I have to enter a sell limit. So I'm activated here, but I am not guaranteed this gold because of this action that is there. I don't like the price action that is given. So that's for gold. But overall, you can see the way it's jumping up and down. So, but the overall trend, we should follow the overall trend in higher time frame and look for opportunity to what? To buy gold. To buy gold. Maybe after the news. Let's see. So that is gold. Gold is breaking every structure and is pushing up. So it would be wise to position for a buy than for a sell. The only way that I can change my bias for buy for now is when good come back, when it clear this low here, then you can look for you can now talk about a short time sell. But as long as this place keep hold, forget, I will not sell gold. As long as this, because this is the low that give it to this high, we have higher low. This low break this high, it creates a higher high. So for you to validate this buying, price have to take out this low, close above this, below this low with a full body candle. Then we'll not say okay, but then that's when our buy bias will change to sell. And when we are selling, then if we are selling around this region, there's probability that price is coming to this region. So you can see now that I have break this down segment by segment. So anyhow, we look for opportunity. NZD USD is selling, but I will have love price to come to. I have a pending order already that I still believe that price is coming to that way. So I'm on 4-hour time frame now. Here we have break of structure. So we have BOS. Now this is the other block that caused the breaking of this structure. So waiting price to come back to this other block and sell. So I know what price is doing here. You know, I want to see price building liquidity before going back to this supply. And that is a good, that's why you know that, okay, for you to know that supply or demand will hold, price need to build liquidity first or go to that supply or go to that demand. So I love what price is doing here, creating all these relative equal highs. This is a liquidity building. When you come to H1, you will see clearly. So all these are liquidity build. So price push to this supply, it will be a very good sell on NZD USD. So I'm looking for sell on that. I already posted to the VIP group. EURUSD. I show you my entry on EURUSD yesterday. I have entry from here. I have entry from here. Now I'm waiting for second entry. So EURUSD, we are The overall yield curve is an uptrend, and I am taking advantage to ride on the uptrend. Change of character one, break of structure, change of character.
Price he didn't do change of character.
Eh? What do you say?
Go ahead. I say he didn't do change of character on 50. I say he didn't do change of character on 15 minutes yesterday.
No, it's not due. It's not due. That's
before
why
they buy.
And that's why I'm waiting for another buy now. So change of character there. Market is coming back to do what? I love this liquidity that's built here. I love this equal low liquidity. Immediately I wanted to buy from here, from this demand area. But immediately I saw below, see, you were able to expand your trade and see if there's any equal low, equal high that will build liquidity. So immediately I saw this equal low. I said, Kai, this place price we make this place a pepper soup. Then here, and let's go to smaller time frame. I saw a tiny demand area, and I set a buy, and the thing just touched that buy. Thank God that the spread it's a very tight spread. The move have taken me in, and it took me in. So that is that. So now on the guys, so now it did not do. It was just moving yesterday. Then come to 15 minutes. Come to 15 minutes now. Come to 15 minutes. Let's see. I have a pending order I gave for second entry. From 15 minutes now. So can you see a change of character now, Mr. Austin? So now we can say we have clearly change of character, liquidity swept, then we have change of character. So I'm waiting. Now there's a demand area we call a base here. So and I put another this pending order on this base, and my stop loss is below this low here. So around that should be around 30 something pips stop loss. So that would be my second entry. If price, I love what price is doing here. I know this equal low that price build here. So you can see now price have built liquidity here. So forget all this one that I still doing. Price have built liquidity here. It will come back to take out all this liquidity. So I still hope price will take me. I don't know, it may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but definitely price is coming back here to pick me for second entry. So I have this as a pending order, the trade I am watching, pending order. So you can also blast through and okay. So that is that. So please, if you have any charts you want me to look at, drop it on the chat box. I will look at it and we analyze it together. Okay. King said, I am seeing gold moving to 3,000. Good, oh. Let go be flying. So, those of us in the VIP, this pending order is already there this morning. So, what other? Please put any chart you are looking at, and this trade I'm looking at. Don't be small turn to. You can see 9R on that trade. 9R. So it's a long swing trade. It's going to be very. All these places are liquidity, relative equal highs. So when I see all these things, it gives confidence that okay, price we take out this place. These are liquidity. Price are built liquidity, which is a fuel that will prepare price to shoot up. So there's a supply area. So there's this supply right here that price will push to. So that's trade number 4, right? Now is there 3. So cards looking for a buy opportunity, Euro card, NZD looking for sell opportunity, GBPUSD looking for a sell, or a price come to our demand, our supply. Okay, profit, USD, profit. Sorry for the network. That's Nigeria for us. So I have given us a clue on Euro card. Then Euro GPP. Oh, what's happening to network today like this? Oh, okay. So Euro GPP. Okay. Euro GPP, Mr. Austin. This guy has no direction. But quick one to analyze for 4 hours perspective. I think what we can see, the first thing we can see that we have this break of structure. Then we have this. This is the odd this thing that breaks the structure of that block. So, but now you can refine this other block. You can see that price came to the other block and move up. But this will give you a large stop loss. For you to redefine this other block, all you need to do, just go to 15 minutes. Go to 15 minutes to redefine your other block. Ah, on. Okay, so we want to redefine our other block. So now I can now redefine my other block to this last bearish candle that caused the break of this structure here. So now, so let's go back to 1 hour. Hey, you can see, you see what I'm seeing? So I have, instead of this big red candle, I just simply go to smaller time frame, redefine my other block. For example, if you do your buy limit here below this, that will just be a 9 pips, then you can target this high. You can target this high. That is 6. So this is how you can see, Mr. Austin, this is it. This is how you define. In fact, do you know that the define of other block was another knowledge I acquired? It's not throughout my Easters when people are talking chicken. I was throughout my Easter holiday. I was brilliantly study, and that's why I find out, okay, there's way you can you can refine your other blocks instead of you having 30 pip stop loss before to become 10 pip stop loss. And you can see it works. So that is it. So on as far as Europe GPP is concerned, we are in a bullish run. You can see break of structure, money come back to the other block, and as far as concerned, we are bullish. So this is the end of charts. I want to show us something quickly in the next 5 minutes. For those of us that don't have time to trade, or you are still learning, but you have money, or you have someone that have money, you can also make money. From Trading Pro Edge, we have this fantastic uh, copy trade that you can leverage on. I'm saying this with all confidence. Even when you are, me myself, I have a portion of my trade account that I leverage so that you will not be pressurized to just take it on it. Even when you are making loss here by for your personal trading, if your copy trade is doing well, it will give you an edge.